Our staff is very well known, very well respected across the country. We do a lot of great work, and we bring in a lot of great grad students doing really hard-hitting research. And it's something that's those things that really appealed to me when I was looking for opportunities to get involved in the college. When I was looking for opportunities to do research, I met Dr. Thomas, and she gave me the opportunity to do some very hands-on things in the Department of Oceanography. I had an REU, which is a research experience for undergraduates. I spent the summer, I guess last summer, at the University of Alaska Fairbanks. I worked with Dr. Gerhard Krem. It was an entirely new field of meteorology that I was studying. The other internship I did was I spent 37 days at sea, so about 5 weeks at sea, on the NOAA research vessel, the Ron Brown. And it was an amazing experience. I wouldn't trade it for anything. I learned so much. Stuff that you just can't get in the classroom. It was great.